Welcome to the video kitchen, as this has been dubbed. On the screen you see a spy hole from a reduction firing, and every reduction makes it really difficult to see the cones. So that's the nature of the problem, and we want to solve it. And how do we solve it? So the idea was, let's use laser. So here we go with the laser. The kiln already has really heavy infrared output. When you look in there, all the light you see is in the 600 nanometer range, and it's very bright. So our thought would be this is going to overwhelm a red laser, which is around 600 nanometers. So why don't we try a green laser around 530 nanometers? And success. I'll just tell you right now, it works great. And so part of this video we just did a reduction firing. So I got a really brief clip at the end of the firing that shows you their laser. So let's play that real quick. Back in the studio, and today is reduction fire day, and that's a great flame. And this is later on in a reduction. It's 0.7, and we're going to go to our handy dandy monitor here, and we're at basically 2020 degrees with the reduction rate of 0.7. So later, we're going to do a sequence on this handy dandy little laser with an adjustable dot size, and we'll show you how easy it is to see your cones. So that is their laser, and here's a picture of the spy hole illuminated by the green dot laser. Now, the picture doesn't do it justice because, in fact, with your safety goggles on, the cones appear dead white. You don't see so much of that green. But this is a huge improvement over that. So, hey, you can kind of make out a cone maybe in there, but for sure you can see your cones in there. So, successful idea. And how much are these things? They are, I went and Googled or Amazon or whatever, and no endorsement here. I have no idea what this thing is like, but it's 20 bucks. The important part about this, and the important thing to remember, is it needs to be green. I think they're all less than 200 milliwatts, so that's fine. Don't shine it in anybody's eyes. Don't shine it up at airplanes. Don't shine it where you're not supposed to. And the important piece is it has to have a focusing lens. So you need to be able to focus it from dot to spot, because when you're using it in a spy port on a regular kiln, it's nice to have it defocused or focused into a spot, and that'll illuminate the cones, whereas dot tends to get reflective. Now, in Raku, we used the laser to tell when the glaze was actually melted, and it gave us some insight into glaze strategy. So with respect to Raku, it was nice to focus it down to a dot and then look at the wet glaze, the reflections, and it was obviously the glaze was melted. So that's it. That's a quick tip. It's super economical and it works. So I hope you enjoyed it and find it useful.